Hi guys, Akil here. So as you can see, I'm at startablog.co.uk. This is a blog that I created a while ago and I wanted to update it and show you guys how to start a blog. So you can use this site to come to know how to start a blog, what things you need to do in order to create a similar blog or just to have a website in general. So as you can see here, I'm at the home page. Now you can change your home page depending on the type of theme you have and the plugin. Now, depending on the theme, is a theme allows you is basically the parents of your website. Plugin allows you to enhance what your website can do. So, like for example, if you have a plugin that can post to Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest at the same time, that's what a plugin can do. Or a plugin can be something as easy as insert a sitemap, as you can see here. A sitemap is basically a list of all the pages you have on your website, and I'll show you guys how to create that shortly in later videos. And another easy plugin could be something as have a contact page, which I don't have, which I'll show you guys how to do in a later video. So in order to sign into your blog, you need to go to whatever your blog name is, or your domain name, .com or .co.uk. You need to put a / WP admin. So for example, let me just show you here, WP-admin. So if I were to go to sign in, I would need to sign in to, this is a WordPress blog, of course, so WP-admin, and then sign in with my username and password. I'm already signed in, and once you're signed in, it will take you to the dashboard area. Now, the dashboard area will give you an overview of, what pages you have on your website, what news is available, or, any comments that people have posted. Now, you can change up what you want shown on the dashboard area by clicking on this screen option here, and then you could select certain options that you want. So if you didn't want the welcome, you can uncheck it. If you want it, you can keep it. Now basically the welcome it says here, welcome, how you can customize your website depending on the theme. You can edit your front page here. You can add additional pages, and you can add a blog post, and you can view your site from here as well. So your dashboard basically is like your main central point. But the most things I recommend that you're going to be using is either a post or a page area. Basically, on the left hand side here, this is like all your menus and your where you'll be using mostly. So when I want to know what plugin needs to be updated, like usually WordPress updates their website, their software now and then, so I always look here to see exactly, that tells me what updates, and you always make sure you want to update to the recent update. And then you can see here you have your post where you can create a blog post, delete it, add categories. Media is where you can add images, photos, videos, and stuff like that. Pages is where you can add a page, and I'll let you know the difference between a page and a post. And comments here, you can see when people have commented, and you could start to delete comments or approve comments depending on what the person has said. And appearances here is basically what it says, your appearance menu, your theme, your menu, how it looks, and stuff like that. And plugins, where you can add plugins to your website to enhance the performance of it. And users, if you wanted to add a different user, and we'll go through that in each individual video later on. And tools is basically if you wanted to import, export, or add some sort of advanced functions inside of your website settings. And then you have your settings area where you can change up what the website says, and how it looks in the search engine, basically what comments or what description or title is stated in the search engine. And then this is here because I installed a theme. So I installed a theme through the parent, so this would not usually be here. It just used to be these from dashboard to settings area. Alright, so the next video I'll go through each one of the side options here, so you can see exactly what you can do inside of WordPress and how it's very useful to help create your blog and help start to publish and post on your website. So again, what we did was we signed into the main dashboard area, and I would do a brief overview of what the dashboard area, what to expect, how to change it up by clicking on the screen option, where you can go to create a post, create a page, add media, delete comments, approve comments, change the appearance of your website, add plugins, and add a user if you wanted to, and change the settings to your website. So I'll show you those in a later video individually of what you can do inside of WordPress. All right. So hope you guys enjoy that. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Take it easy.